Now, ever since 1950, scheduled caste and scheduled tribe commissions have been operational as the constitutional bodies that was under the Article 338 by the Constitutional Amendment 65th Amendment Act. But the Constitutional 89th Amendment Act, which came in 2003, now this act separated the National Commission of SC and ST into the separate national commissions for scheduled caste and a separate national commission for scheduled tribe. Now the National Commission of Scheduled Caste has been created for the effective implementations of various safeguards provided in the Constitution for the welfare of scheduled caste. Now Article 338 now mandates the this commission to investigate and also to monitor all the matters relating with the socio-economic development of scheduled caste. Now the first National Commission of Scheduled Caste was established in the year 2004. Now when it comes to the institutional orientation of the National Commission of Scheduled Caste, it is undoubtedly a protective institution. It is a protective institution. Now when we talk about the composition of the National Commission of Scheduled Caste, it comprises of a chairperson along with the vice chairperson along with 3 other members. Now besides making the appointment regarding the conditions of the services and the tenure of the office, now the service conditions and the tenure are determined by the President of India, although he do not make the appointment, but the service conditions and the tenures are determined by him. Now its headquarters of the National Commission of Scheduled Caste is in New Delhi. And when we talk about the state offices of this commission, it is located across 12 state offices across the India. Besides this, the Secretary of the Government of India, now he acts as a administrative head of the National Commission of Scheduled Caste. Now when we talk about the powers of this NCSC, now the commission has a power to act as a civil courts in pertaining the matters to the scheduled caste welfare. Now it can use its power to summon as well as for the enforcing the attendance of any person from any part of the India, and also to examine him under the oath. Now another power of the commission is to request the public record or any other public copy from any court or office in India. Now when we talk about the duties of the National Commission of Scheduled Caste, now Article 338 deals with the functions, duties and the powers of the commission. And the clause 4 of the same article, that is Article 338, empowers the commission to regulate its own procedure. Now the duties includes to investigate and monitors all the matters relating to the safeguard in the Constitution or under any other government order, and also to evaluate the working of such safeguards. Now it is its duty to inquire into the specific complaints with regards to the deprivation of the rights along with the safeguards of the scheduled castes. It also advises the government in the planning process of the socio-economic development of the scheduled caste and also to evaluate the progress of the development under the union or the state government. Now it annually presents its report on the working of safeguards to the President of India. It also makes the recommendations to the union or the state government and other measures for the welfare as well as for the socio-economic development for the scheduled caste. Now it also recommends for the effective implementations of the policies or the programs that have been established for the welfare of the scheduled caste.